What a wonderful day to play Bee Swarm. I guess I should take this hive slot. Alright. I'm gonna do a sprout party, guys. Let's see what materials we need. Oh, I need some rat extracts. I guess I need to go plant one in Strawberry Field. Okay, I planted one in Strawberry Field, so now I'll be able to get some strawberries. Okay, let's go get our stuff from the blender. Oh, it's nearly done. Okay, let me just press this button. Alright. What else should we do? Oh yeah, let's craft some star jellies. They're very cheap. Yeah. Let's go craft. Let's craft one star jelly. It's very cheap, guys. Let's go, boys. Alright. I'm gonna come back. Let's go play a memory match. I am gonna look for that Moontrums or the tickets. Oil! Oh, okay, let's go. Moontrums, wait. Where was the Moontrums? I forgot where the Moontrums were. I think it's here. No, man. How about here? Oh, 25 blueberries. Where should I go take it? I need 225 blueberries, so. I guess I think it's here. What? This game is bad. I hate this game. I don't have any snowflakes. I guess I gotta return in Honeybee's quest. I don't really need to convert some pollen. Give me this. Okay, I'm not gonna talk to him anymore because I don't need to talk to him. Because I don't have to collect honey tokens. Okay. I need to do a boost, so let's go do that real quick. I'll donate my gold egg. I will do that. Let's go. Alright. Let's see if we get a good field. I'm hoping I get coconut field. Alright. Let's donate a gold egg. Okay. Alright, we got some wins. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Alright. I'm now gonna go. I'm gonna now fight the coconut crab. Because I can't actually kill him. No, I can't fight him, guys. I can't fight him. Because I'm very bad. Okay. So, now what we should do. Yeah, we are gonna boost in Mountaintop Field. We got our wins, so let's boost in Mountaintop Field. Alright, let's bring out our jelly beans. Now, the way to go is to give them all 50. Now, I'm gonna try to gift the first bee. I heard you can gift the event bees, so I guess I'll try it out. Alright, let's go. Oh, actually, I should feed it all my sunflower seeds. What? Why am I so unlucky? I guess I gotta try now next time. Okay, let's go boost in Mountaintop Field. Let's get our stuff ready. Yeah, you gotta use all your materials, and then after you do that, yeah, we gotta use all our materials. And do a big boost. I'm gonna keep going. The way to go is to use your gumdrops while you're not in the field, because it stacks up capacity. Did you guys not know that? You guys are all stupid. That's how you do it. You also use the microconverter. Alright. You use one microconverter. After you do that, you do another one. Alright, let's do it again. I think this is the way to go. Alright, yeah, let's go, boys. We got so much honey from that, guys. We got 24,000 honey, guys. What else do we need to use? Yeah, I guess we gotta use our red and black. I gotta use my red extract. Alright, guys, let's go. What should we do? Let's go get this thing and hopefully we get something good. Alright, guys, we've got pineapple patch. So, actually, I'm not gonna do boosting in mountaintop field. Yeah. Well, what else should I do? There's a lot of things I should do. Aha! I will go back to these quest lines. What is the one of the quests I gotta do? I gotta do the on it quest. Wait, no, I gotta do these. No. Wait, I don't know what to do. You know what? Screw this, man. I'm gonna boost in Dandelion. Guys, it's not letting me. Okay, it's working now. So, the way to go is you put your sprinkler here, and then you jump, you go again, and then you go again. And then once you do that, you go here. Alright, boys, let's start the boost. Alright, let's go, boys. Okay, guys, so it took a lot of time, and I'm also out of gum. Actually, I'm not even out of gumdrops, guys. I could keep this on for years. Okay, so our boosts are out. So now let's go defeat the commander chick. Oh, what's in the stockings? What are we gonna get? Oh, gumdrops. I don't need those. I already got so much gumdrops. And I mean, I don't really need the gummy boots. So, I guess I gotta go here. Alright, Oh yeah, I wanna try to get that present. Ooh, what's in the samovar? Ooh, let's see. Ooh, oil! I didn't need that. Alright, let's go. What else should we do? Oh yeah, let's do the memory match. Let's do another memory match. Let's see if this one is gonna work. Ooh, pineapples. Ooh, gumdrops. Okay, we're actually doing pretty good. Oh, wait, where was it? I think it's here. What? This game is broken. I will dislike it. Wait, where was it again? I think it's here. Yes, let's go. We got one royal jelly. Oh, wait, I accidentally picked that one. No. What? I actually got another one. Wow. Okay, next we are gonna go and do this honey storm, and then we're gonna try to get the tickets, okay? Let's see if we get any tickets. Because I do need tickets, so I guess I gotta try to get them. Because, I don't know. Let's chuck down some jelly beans just to help us out. Oh yeah, I don't think there's any more. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get my new items I just got. They're very good items. Here, I'll show you what I got. I got the pouch, and I got the scooper. Those are the two items I got, and boom, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I have to do a bit of a boost. Let's see how, um, yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This video was very cursed. Bye.